Hi, let's see how we can remove or disable uh, bloatwares that's installed on your Samsung phone or like any Android devices which you own. So there are a lot of company installed applications that can compromise your privacy, and you may not have an option directly in the device to disable that. So to do that, you have to enable USB debugging in your phone first and make sure you install ADB App Control tool. The website link is here. You can go to the website and you can download the latest option which is available for you. So once you downloaded and install this application, you can open this application here. I had already connected my phone with the USB debugging mode to my laptop. So it should probably load. Yes, it's loaded. You can see like now it is connected with my phone. Okay. And here you have a default option which is provided by this application. Either you can just use this to find and disable the bloat. So this will, you can choose the level of security, but if you are using a free version, you can only go with the basic version. So basically you can try this and it will detect those apps and you can apply, then it will choose the action. Either you can choose to disable it or you can cleanly uninstall and press uninstall so that you can uninstall it. And the second thing you can do also search for different apps and you can do the installation yourself. For example, Knox. So this app is there, so basically you can search for this app. So let me see if it's detecting something. Yeah, it's not detected. It seems I already cleared it from here, but yes. So you can search for a particular app here and basically you can uninstall it from, for example, like Samsung Plus. This is something which comes with. I selected it and I'm choosing uninstall and ask you. So now you can just, now that application is removed. Similarly, those applications which you are not using or you don't want, you can remove it. This can improve the performance of your devices better. Uh, and also you can improve the privacy, like what data is shared externally. So that's one thing you can use it for, and most of this can be handled with the free version of this tool, and you don't have to buy anything. So if it's useful, you can give a try. Thank you.